Yeah, 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 yeah.
After you finish the ink charting for Epson printers, you only have to do now is to install the drivers for the printer or the scanners. So by how to do this for the Epson printers, or you just bought a new HP printers or Canon for the Epson, then you visit Epson.com. For HP, you visit HP.com. HP.com. And for the Canon, you must type Canon driver.net. So here is their support page. So let's start with Epson. Epson.com. For example, we download the driver for Epson L360, which has a scanner. So we will download two drivers, driver for the printer and driver for the scanner. So let us select the region where you are. This is important so that the server will give you the printer's driver available in your area, and it is easy for you to find the driver. For me, I am in the Philippines, in Asia. I click in the Philippines. Look at the address, it's Epson Philippines /homepage. So we go to the tab support, click printers, and next we are now going to search for Epson L360. And here it is. So this is the actual picture, and the operating system, the website has detected our operating system, which is Windows 10 64-bit. And how to check our system type. So we go to the Windows Explorer, then right click on this PC, or for Windows 7 it's my computer, and here is our system type: 64-bit operating system, Windows 10 Pro. So after the system detected, so we click the drivers, and here is our printer driver for Windows 64-bit and scanner driver for Windows. So we click the download. As you can see, it's L360 series, so accept. And for our scanner, we click the download. As you can see, the download scanner driver is available for compatible for L220 and L360 series. So let's accept. And after it is downloaded, we now install it. So click on it, say yes, and if you now have the printer with you, you may connect it now, so that the installer will automatically detect it. Because if you do not have the printer, the installer will not continue, just like mine. So this will pop up if you do not connect the printer. So if you now have the printer, you must connect it. So I'm just gonna cancel it, because after which it is automatically detected. You will just click OK and finish. Then you can restart your computer so that the installation will be, the driver will be installed properly. And for the scanner, and just click on it and unzipping, then click next, accept the terms, wait for the installation to finish, and after which you will install the driver and for the printer and the driver for the scanner. You must restart your computer. Okay, I'm finished. And after you download the scanner, this icon must appear. That is Epson scan, or HP scan, or Canon scan. Okay, for the HP, the same procedure. So this is the website for the HP. We go to support and printing, and download drivers right here. And after which we can now search the printer driver that you want to download. And for the Canon, we go to canondriver.net, and this is their support website. We can now search here for our printer model, for example the IP2770. Driver search, hit enter, and so here is the choices: driver for Mac, driver for Linux, driver for Windows 10. So I am a Windows 10 operating system, so I'm gonna download this driver. So I'm gonna click on it, and here is the download button, and it got a lot of versions. So download for 32-bit, 64-bit. You can have this one here above. And that's all for how to download printer drivers or driver scanners. So don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.